In the inky blackness of the deep ocean, where sunlight fades to nothing, a creature of immense scale navigates the rocky terrain. It's not some mythical beast, but a real inhabitant of the waters surrounding Japan. Known scientifically as Macrochera kempferi, this marine arthropod holds a title unmatched by any other on Earth. This is the Japanese giant spider crab. It boasts the largest leg span of any arthropod, stretching an astonishing 3.7 meters, claw to claw. While its body, or carapace, measures up to a respectable 40 centimeters across, it's these long, spindly legs that truly define its colossal presence. Weighing in at up to 19 kilograms, it's second in mass only to the American lobster among living arthropods. Males typically possess the longer, formidable-looking claws, while females have much shorter ones compared to their walking legs. Interestingly, despite its imposing appearance, it's often described as having a gentle nature. Life on the ocean floor demands cunning, and the Japanese spider crab employs a unique tactic. Its bumpy orange carapace with white spots naturally blends with the surrounding rocks. But it doesn't stop there. To make its disguise even better, the crab actively decorates its shell. It meticulously attaches sponges and other marine life. It uses its slender claws to twist and tear off pieces, bringing them to its mouthparts to shape before securing them to its exoskeleton. These attached organisms then continue to grow, perfecting the crab's living camouflage. Unlike some crabs that match colors, this species focuses on disrupting its overall shape. This strategy is particularly effective for its nocturnal habits, as it primarily avoids predators under the cover of darkness. Its primary domain lies off the southern coasts of Japan's Honshu Island, from Tokyo Bay down to Kagoshima Prefecture, although stray populations appear further north and even near Taiwan. Adult crabs make their home in deep waters, typically found between 50 and 600 meters down, often seeking refuge in underwater vents and holes. While exact temperature preferences for adults are unclear, they thrive in the consistent 10 degrees Celsius water found at depths around 300 meters in places like Suruga Bay. Public aquaria successfully maintain them in cooler temperatures, generally between 10 and 13 degrees Celsius. Survival in the deep requires a varied diet. The Japanese spider crab is an omnivore, readily consuming both plant matter and animals. It also serves as a scavenger, cleaning up dead fish from the ocean floor. Some forage by scraping plants and algae directly from rocks, while others display predatory behavior, prying open the shells of mollusks and smaller marine invertebrates to access the meal inside. The journey from a tiny egg to a deep-sea giant is complex. Female crabs carry fertilized eggs, up to 1.5 million per season, on their abdominal appendages. After about 10 days, these hatch into microscopic planktonic larvae that bear little resemblance to the adults. These larvae undergo 4 distinct developmental stages, starting with a brief prozoal stage, quickly molting into the first zoal stage. They spend their larval life drifting near the surface, where water temperatures are warmer, undergoing 2 zoal stages followed by a megalopa stage, before finally maturing and descending to the depths where the adults reside. Historically, these crabs were known to Japanese fishermen for the serious injuries their powerful claws could inflict. Today, they are occasionally harvested for food and are considered a delicacy in parts of Japan. However, intense fishing pressure, particularly in Suruga Bay, led to a significant decline in catches, from 24.7 tons in 1976 to just 3.2 tons by 1985. To protect the population, conservation measures are now in place. These include restocking efforts using artificially cultured juvenile crabs and strict fishing bans from January through April, coinciding with their mating season when they move to shallower, more accessible waters. These measures aim to ensure the future of this remarkable deep-sea dweller.